welcome to Local Edition. I'm Leslie Leyton. Well, how did you learn to balance a checkbook, manage your money, pay the rent? Well, these are things a lot of us just figure out on our own, but there is a better way, and the Orange County Business Council is acknowledging businesses, organizations that do things better, that make it easier for people to learn about such things. With us now is an honoree of the Orange County Business Council's Public-Private Partnership Award, and I'd like to welcome Robbin Narike Preciado. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Leslie. Thanks for having me.
Now let's talk a little bit about this honor, this award. It comes from the Orange County Business Council. They have this thing, it's called turning red tape into red carpet. So that means, you know, taking the tough part and making it a little bit easier. And you were honored because of your participation at a high school. You teach kids how to manage money by running a bank branch at a local high school.
That's right. At Union Bank, we are so proud to be the recipients of Orange County Business Council's Red Tape to Red Carpet Award, which they're known as OCBC. And in particular, we won in the partnership category, as you indicated, because of the uniqueness of the mutual reliance that we needed between the high school, the Anaheim Union School District, and Union Bank. And we couldn't be more pleased to showcase our students at this new branch, the first in Orange County at Loera High School in Anaheim.
It's a fantastic idea because you need to learn about finances in high school, because when you get into college, it's a little bit too late to come upon some of the sensibilities. Tell us how this works. You have an actual branch, bank branch at the high school, and the kids run it and the kids use it with real money.
Yes, it's a real branch inside the high school campus at Loera High School. It's located right next to the library. It's run by a full-time Union Bank branch manager. In fact, Lydia is nearly a 30-year veteran with Union Bank. And over the 80 applicants and students who applied, we chose 12. And these 12 students, after their rigorous interview process, went through Union Bank's training for tellers, bankers, management, leadership, and communication skills. And so we couldn't be more proud, because once they are entered into the program, they receive a $500 stipend, and when they graduate, we award them with a $1,000 scholarship towards college.
So they get work experience, and other students gain an awareness of how to save, how to write a check, balance a checking account, maybe interest rates and loans and things that people don't even start to consider until they really need to know about it, and it might be too late.
Exactly. We actually teach them everything. It's a full-service branch, and the audience is the student body at Loera High School, the administrative staff, and the teachers. And just this year, we are so proud that we are extending that learning experience to the parents of the students, as well as to the community in Anaheim. So there's a lot to be proud of. We also have the branches opened Monday through Friday during certain periods that the principal selected, and it's really designed exclusively for the student experience.
How do you do the education part of it? Do you have classes where you teach them about these things?
We do. We partnered with the ROP program that's in existence already, and the instructor there teaches the curricula. And then through the branch experience, they receive a hands-on internship by providing financial literacy about how to open a checking account, how to manage their finances, everything. And we couldn't be more proud of the students who are teaching their own peer group, and now the parents as well.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't think about it. How did this ever come to be in the first place? Has it been done anywhere else?
Yes, it has. Actually, it's kind of interesting. 5 years ago, when I came to be the regional president here in Orange County, we had just opened our first student-run branch in Central California, and I wanted to bring that success here. And so a short time thereafter, my boss, Pierre Habis, who runs retail bank for Union Bank and a huge supporter of the student branches, was at a community event sitting next to Superintendent Michael Matsuda from Anaheim Union High School. Those two quickly got together, and then all of a sudden the idea of bringing financial literacy to Anaheim students was born. So it took a couple years to get through the red tape to the red carpet piece, but it was well worth the wait because the branch was opened in December of 2015, and we just graduated in the spring of last year our 12 students, and I'm pleased to say that we have 100% college enrollment with those 12, and bank-wide we have over 100 student banker graduates with an 86% college enrollment. And our second class at Loera just kicked off, and we're confident that they're going to keep that same trend.
You know, what effect do you expect this to have on the lives of the students who go through a program like this, as opposed to students who never have this sort of exposure?
That's exactly why we focused on the youth, because we know that to have a long-standing, strong community, we need to focus on our youth for building and sustaining strong communities for the future. And so what we've seen is confidence. We see them be career ready when they graduate, and they have a solid financial acumen to help them with real life skills out in the real world.
It just seems like it's so important to get off to the right start financially, because if you get bad credit, for instance, it's difficult to really fully appreciate the cost of that to everything you do in the future.
That's right. It's so important to build a solid foundation with the students, and that's why we focus primarily on the juniors and seniors before they graduate, so that they have that solid base and financial acumen.
Where do you anticipate going from here with this program?
Yeah, you know, I get asked that question a lot because it's quite an innovative program and it generates a lot of interest. The program continues to grow every year. And as I mentioned, we have 5 at Union Bank already, and there are currently 2 other conversations going on within the state, so we hope to expand it even further. But locally at Loera High School, the future of this particular program, as I indicated, is to expand it beyond the student branch and into the community through the parents.
Tell us about the leadership aspect that can be gained through a program like this.
They go through the full branch management program that we send our managers through, so they're learning teamwork, collaboration, leading through influence, all also equipped with teaching financial management skills to their own peer group. So it's truly something that has broad reach.
And the marketing skills, too?
And the marketing skills, that's right. They do. They're marketing, and they're identifying groups that they can go give financial literacy workshops to out in the community.
Why is it important to take this into the community as well? And if there is a message that you would like to get to people, the basic message that you teach the students through this program, what would that be?
The importance of starting young. And you know, I couldn't be more proud to work for Union Bank, which is a company that's had over a 150-year history of standing with the communities and making them strong. And that's what makes this program so exciting, is we're targeting on the youth, because we know that we need to start with them to establish and build sustainability for strong communities for now and down the road in the future. And we've had so much help and so much advocacy for this program from the high school, the school district, and of course the bank. And even our own mayor, Tom Tate, he's been a champion and advocate for us throughout this entire process.
And it's that innovative collaboration that has earned you this honor.
Right.
So congratulations on that. We appreciate you being here today to tell us all about these important achievements.
Thank you
locally.
so much. We are delighted and thrilled to be honored by OCBC and by extension the business community as well.
All right, thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
here. And thank you for joining us as well. I'm Leslie Leyton.